everyone, welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial, and this is the best place to learn and explore cool tech stuff. So in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can use free images and videos if you are working on YouTube, or if you're using for your projects. So let's see how you can use stock images and stock videos without any copyright. So let's open your favorite browser, and for your stock videos you can simply type which is most beautiful website like pixabay.com. So once you will open Pixabay, you can type any of your favorite video. So like if I want to search about good day video, so if I write anything you will get videos on this. So here you can see a beautiful videos, and these all videos are free copyright. You can use those videos in your YouTube, in your Facebook, or any of your project. So once you will finalize your video, you can click simply here if you want to download it. As you can see, there are many stock images. These are paid images, you cannot download. You will definitely have to pay something for those images. So you can scroll down and you can see different images. So once I click over here, so this images is free, and you can check the Creative Commons license. And here you can see if you get any donate option, it means that this image is, or this video is free to use. So once you finalize this video, once you can click on download option. So here you can see the resolution, which resolution you want to download, and simply here you can download your images. Here you can download your images or videos. So if you want to talk about how to download a beautiful images for your projects, you can simply type unsplash.com or unsplash images. So it will redirect you to free unsplash images. Here you can easily get all those images which is copyright free. You will not get any copyright claim on those images. So here I will type any images like as I search before WhatsApp logo. So once you will click, you will get a beautiful logos of WhatsApp. So you can easily download those logos by clicking over here. So there is another website which is pixels.com. so you can click on new tab and type simply here pixels.com. so by clicking on pixels.com you can download your favorite images or your videos, anything you want to download. See, there are two options, photos and videos. So if you want to search about any photos like snowfall, mountains. So once I search snowfall mountains, you will get a beautiful image which is copyright free. So you can download this any of your favorite images and use for any purposes. So in this way, if you want to download video, you can click on videos. So by clicking on videos option, you can simply type any video like have a good day. So I just give a prompt have a good day, and it will generate a beautiful videos for me. So in this way you can download videos as well. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and share your thoughts in comment box. I will creating such videos regularly basis, and you hope so you will enjoy those videos.